Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Collect 3 to 5 healthy frogs that measure about 2 to 3 inches each. Choose frogs that are active and free of visible injuries or parasites. Keep frogs cool in a ventilated container with a damp cloth for moisture. Maintain 50 to 60% humidity to prevent desiccation and stress. Feed nothing for 4 to 6 hours before using to reduce waste in the water. Check local rules before collecting live bait and carry any required license or permit. Use a 3/0 to 6/0 circle hook placed through the lower lip or jaw. Insert the hook shallowly to avoid deep tissue and to keep the frog alive longer. Hold frogs gently behind the head with one hand to avoid squeezing vital organs. Allow the frog to sit naturally on top of weighted jig or float to mimic a swimming posture. Rinse hands and hook with fresh water after handling to reduce infection risk to both you and the frog. Cast near lily pads or shallow cover and retrieve with slow twitches and pauses. Present the frog close to structure and let it sit motionless for at least 4 to 6 seconds. Replace frogs after 20 to 30 minutes or sooner if they show stress or injury. When not fishing, keep frogs in a shaded ventilated cooler with a damp cloth. Transport unused frogs in a ventilated cooler with stable 50 to 60% humidity. Always follow local laws and avoid protected species.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.